Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects our daily cooking and health, cooking oils. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know which oils are best for cooking and which ones to avoid. Don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you. Let's explore the best and worst oils for cooking, along with some tips on how to use them effectively in your kitchen. Before we jump into the specific oils, let's quickly talk about why the type of oil you use matters. Different oils have varying smoke points, nutritional profiles, and flavors, which can significantly impact your cooking and health. The smoke point is the temperature at which the oil starts to smoke and break down, potentially producing harmful compounds. Choosing the right oil not only enhances your dish but can also influence your overall health. So it's essential to make informed choices. Let's start with the best oils. Best oils number 1. Extra virgin olive oil. This is a staple in many kitchens for a reason. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It has a smoke point of about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for sautéing, roasting, or drizzling over salads. It adds a delicious flavor and is great for heart health. Just remember, it's best used at lower temperatures to preserve its nutrients. Plus, its versatility makes it a fantastic choice for Mediterranean-inspired dishes. Number 2. Avocado oil. Another fantastic option. Avocado oil has a high smoke point of about 520 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it great for high-heat cooking methods like frying or grilling. It's also packed with monounsaturated fats and vitamins, making it a nutrient-rich choice. The mild flavor of avocado oil complements a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to dressings. It's an excellent oil to have on hand for both cooking and drizzling over your favorite meals. Number 3. Coconut oil. This oil has gained popularity for its unique flavor and health benefits. With a smoke point of around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it's suitable for baking, sautéing, and even in smoothies. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can provide a quick source of energy. However, keep in mind it's higher in saturated fats, so moderation is key. It's particularly delightful in desserts and tropical-inspired dishes. Now that we've covered some of the best oils, let's discuss some oils you might want to avoid. Worst oils number 1. Canola oil. While often marketed as a healthy option, canola oil is highly processed and often derived from genetically modified crops. Its smoke point is around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but the refining process can lead to harmful compounds. It's better to choose less processed oils when possible, so consider alternatives that provide more health benefits. Number 2. Vegetable oil. This is a catch-all term for various oils, often made from soy, corn, or other highly processed sources. Like canola oil, it has a high smoke point, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's usually highly refined and can contain unhealthy trans fats. Opt for oils that are more natural and less processed to benefit your health. When in doubt, stick to oils that come from recognizable sources. Number 3. Margarine and shortening. These are often used in baking, but they're loaded with trans fats, which can increase the risk of heart disease. It's best to replace these with healthier fat options like butter or natural oils. Look for alternatives that align with your health goals. When baking, consider using coconut oil or nut butters for a flavorful twist. So there you have it, the best and worst oils for cooking. By making informed choices, you can enhance your dishes and support your health at the same time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cooking tips and health advice. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite cooking oil? And do you have any tips for using oils in your kitchen? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our upcoming videos where we'll dive deeper into meal prep, healthy recipes, and more. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.